I am not good.
What happened?
I hit something and my ski came off.
Yeah.
God damn, I just face planted into a tree.
You want your ski off?
Yeah, let's get the ski off. That'll be easier. Yeah, I was trying to do a turn right there and my ski released. And so I couldn't stop the direction I was going because I only had one ski on. I could hear it just clip off.
That's so weird. Like,
I hit somewhere on my helmet. I hit this tree, and but I just kind of grazed my helmet, I guess, or it knocked my head forward.
yeah.
And then the brunt of the impact was right here.
Were you filming?
Yeah. Yeah, I find that trees don't really give much
No, they really don't.
when you hit them with your head. I'm lucky I didn't like break my neck.
A friend from Florida who broke his femur and his pelvis skiing in Tennessee, went right into a tree.
Yeah, that's the closest I've come to getting pretty seriously hurt in a long time.